evening. It is Northampton we're riding round. Okay, so I've only ever walked round here during the day, so we're going to give it a route similar to that today. See how we get on.
Harlem River, talk to me. Tell me what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, 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 love. Harlem River, talk to me. Where we headed now? Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love. All because of you. In my pearl and my diamond shoes, I've climbed a cloud, now I'm...
So this is the University of Northampton we're coming to now. Let's go on a cruise around and see what we can find. Might find something interesting, I'm not sure.
And Harlem River, swallow me. Put your hands around my neck. In Harlem River, I can't breathe. They've got the lights down now. In Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds. In Harlem River, all because oh, I'm nowhere now. Harlem River, tell me, is it true that in my pearl and my diamond shoes?
Here we are on today's night ride. So we're at Northampton University.
All because of you. I don't know just where I'm going, 'cause I've never been. And I don't know just where I'm going or where I've been. Oh, Harlem River, like a diamond.
Right, here we are at the multi-storey car park in Northampton. I'm not sure about going in there. I'll just show you the view. Pants. But it's time for a descent.
That Harlem River and ride out that easy rider, flow like that Harlem River. I ride for you, I ride for you, I ride for you, I ride for you.
Okay, that's me packed up. I'll just show you now. So we're at McDonald's. I'm not having a McDonald's, by the way. You can see the old MaxLighgt in there. I'll just walk you around here and you can see the other side. So the old MaxLighgt with the shoes, the helmet and gloves, the old Camelback. So I'll bring you back next time for the next ride.